Oh, oh, a butt load of squishy packages. All this is insane, right? I mean, this is insane. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be opening a bunch of squishy packages that I've been holding on to for like the past couple months. I've been saving them to open them on camera. So let's get into the video. Okay, I bought all of these squishies as candidates for squishy makeover, so I will be redecorating all of these either on one of my squishy makeover videos or just in my free time, because that's what I choose to do with my life. These are all cheap squishies from different places on the internet. I got some of these from wish.com, some of them from Banggood, some of them from eBay. I think that's it. I'm just gonna grab one and start. I don't know which website these came from. They all look the same. They all come in these little trash bags. Oh, yes! It's a apple squishy. I don't really get into the packaging because I redecorate them anyway. But, I mean, if you do like the packaging, here it is. Cool. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Whoa. Oh, this is really squishy. Whoa. So yeah, I got two of these apple squishies. And these came from Banggood. These are really nice. I'm definitely gonna redecorate these, but I think somebody who is just collecting them, this is a really nice squishy, I feel like. Okay, cool. Apples. I'll keep the apple here. Let's move on. Oh, yes! I thought this was a cat when I ordered it, but apparently this is an elf on a cake roll. I'll probably redecorate it as a cat. Oh my gosh. It has a body. For some reason, I was thinking it was just the head. They didn't show the back of it on the website, so I did not know that you would be able to see its whole body, but it's kind of cute. The cake roll part is so soft. What makes this an elf? I guess because it's got different colored ears. Okay, sure, it can be an elf for now, but not for long. Can you stand? No. What else is in here? Oh, it's just another one. Why do I buy things in twos? Why do I need two of them? I don't know. Because I'll probably decorate one and then I'll have other ideas and I'll be like, oh, I need another one. Who do we have up next? Oh, this is a big one. And the packaging is ripped. What if one of them fell out? The packaging was ripped. Getting very upset. No, I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh, yes. So, it's an acorn. Some of you may think that this is the most random, ugliest, weirdest squishy ever, but honestly, I see so many decorating possibilities with this. Okay, it's not as squishy as like some of the other ones, but like we can deal. It's a big acorn. I found this on eBay. I have some ideas for this. So I got a bunch more of these. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is actually super cute. This came from wish.com actually. This one is like heavy. It's like, it feels so heavy. It smells like soap, which is nice. There's definitely like air trapped in it though. When you squish it, it feels like it's gonna pop or something. This is so cute. How am I gonna paint over this? Like, it's already cute. Maybe I'll like use this as a squishy for a while, and then once it gets used, then I'll make it over. And this unicorn. Oh my gosh, this is enormous. This is gonna take a buttload of paint. This one is cute, but I don't think it's as cute as this one. Like, this is a good makeover candidate because I feel like it could be improved. Like those eyes. Not feeling those eyes. It's really, really squishy. Some things about it are cute. I like the color of it. But yeah, I think I'll have a lot of fun making over this one. All of these so far have been so much bigger than I expected. I feel like I've said that a million times, but like, whoa, this is a big squishy. I'm gonna need a bigger place Okay, cool. So let's see what else we've got here. Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is from Banggood. I remember. So cute. This round fat penguin that I found. Very faintly scented. Like kind of like soap. I'm like in squishy heaven right now. I have to edit so much out of this video because I'm just sitting here like, wow. Oh my gosh, yes. Some little packaging, which is, I think it's important to some people, not for me, but. This little toothpaste. I like that when you squish it, it's almost like you're squishing the toothpaste out. I went back and forth about buying this. Some moments I was like, yes, I need it. And some moments I was like, that's kind of dumb. I don't know, but I eventually decided that I absolutely need this in my life. I have some ideas for this. So, toothpaste? You got something in your eye, son. Yes! This is what I was looking forward to so much. Oh my gosh. Yes! Oh wow, it's so soft. It's like a marshmallow. And the face is so messed up, which is great. These are not the normal type of things that people say in these videos. It smells pretty good actually. It smells like a strawberry cheesecake. But yeah, they call this an ice cream doll. It's like a little ice cream person. I just thought that that was so weird and so awesome, and I needed to get one to decorate. I'm so excited about decorating this. It's not even funny. Oh my gosh. What is up with me and the doubles? Why do I do this? I don't know. I'm insane. I don't have 2 different ideas for toothpaste. I only have 1 idea. So this one is a box, obviously. This one did not come from China. Actually, I got this from Etsy. So these are used squishies. Okay, I need to go back to the gym. Okay. Oh my gosh. So I got a note from this person that I bought the squishies from. Apparently they know my channel, so they just said thank you and that they like my channel. So thank you. If you're watching this, thank you. Yeah, so these are all soft and slow, the animal squishies. I bought some of the blank ones, the DIY ones, but I've had problems with the paint sticking to those because the surface is so smooth. But in my experience, the squishies that are already printed on don't really have any problem with paint sticking to them. So I think that these should be fine. So I'm just gonna use these instead of the blank ones. But I'm still working on figuring out a way to get the paint to stick to those as well. But yeah, so I've got all of these. These are actually really cute though. Oh my gosh, this little like green husky type of one, and then a pink cat, and a koala, a blue dog, and a brown cat. And then this one, this is obviously a decorated squishy. They're kind of like Tsum Tsums. You can like stack them up. Kind of. All right, what's next here? Oh, cute. Yes, this cat. This cat. This cat. It's a white cat. Really cute. Oh my gosh, this one is so soft. So soft. Slightly top heavy, but that's what makes it cute. And this one came from wish.com, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Believe it or not, I still got more to go. Ow. Oh my gosh. I'm actually really sunburned right now. Oh, can you see this? Oh. That's why I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt, because it looks frightening. I forgot that this sweater has like scratchy stuff on the inside, so it's like scratching my sunburn right now. Kind of dying, but the squishies are keeping me distracted. Oh yes, okay. I think I've seen this packaging before. No? Yes, no. It's very similar packaging to the Apple packaging. It's like almost identical. It's a little bear, kind of like a fruit chemical. It's a little bit firmer, denser, whatever you want to call it, than some of the others. But hey, this is cute. I like it. It's very simple, which is nice for makeovers. You can add stuff to it. I love him. Oh, I'm on top of the world. Yeah. What's next? Okay, I don't think I ordered this. It's another one of the bears, but it's green. Huh. I really don't remember ordering 2 of these bears, so that's weird. Is there like an invoice in here? Oh my gosh, there's another one. I definitely did not order 3 of these. What the heck? But I mean, hey, sure, but what? And this one is a bright pink color. So I've got a whole family. Oh, I didn't think that these would be here. Ugh. There's like dust or something. I don't know. I got these from eBay. For some reason, I've had a hard time finding really cheap, just kind of plain cake rolls for decorating. But I finally found these, and these are perfect. And I got a bunch of these. Paint's really falling off there. I mean, these were like, I want to say like 99 cents a piece or something like that, like super cheap, so. Okay, why am I spending time on this? These do not look like the picture at all. These little cakes I got from wish.com. So it was basically this shape that I ordered, but it had strawberries in it. This one does not. And a pink one too. I mean, I'm fine with it because I'm gonna be painting over it anyway, but if you wanted what was in the picture, that would be kind of annoying to get something completely different. But hey, I mean, I'm cool with this. All I wanted was the shape, so I'm fine. The yellow one is so much softer and squishier than the pink one, which is weird, but oh yes, my lollipop. Yeah, this is good. I'm happy with this. The shape of it and everything. Not the squishiest things ever. They're kind of more firm, but still, these are cute, and I definitely think that these will be cute in a makeover. They're a little bit, droopy if you hold them by the stick, but cool. Oh yes, these are from Banggood. Packaging is weird. What is that? What is that? I don't know. I'm not gonna attempt to understand this packaging or what it has to do with a panda donut, but so cute. I love it, and I think it's great for decorating. I have so many different ideas I could do with this, so this is really soft, and it's the perfect size that I was expecting, but yeah, this is good. Oh my gosh. I did think that I got more of these. I don't know why they're sent separately. I don't know why any of this is sent separately. Like, I bought all of the ones from Wish at one time, all the ones from Banggood at one time. So I don't know why they sent me like 10 million different packages. I would rather just wait and get one package, but sure, okay. It's just another one of these ice cream people. And this is the last bag. I got these so long ago. These were not part of my other order. I got one of them a while ago, and I did make it over in one of my videos, but I got 2 more. So I guess that's gonna be a series. Okay, so I know this is a lot. I love doing the makeovers, and I wanted to have lots of victims to choose from. Don't judge me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me open these because I had a blast doing it. And I will see you next week.